Hello everyone. Today's Math Olympiad challenge looks very simple, but it tests whether you truly understand the laws of exponents. Here is the question which says 10 raised to the power of x plus 10 raised to the power of x plus 10 raised to the power of x equals 600, and our goal here is to find the value of x. Let's solve it together step by step. Here is our solution. Since they are identical, adding them is like saying 10 raised to the power of x plus another 10 raised to the power of x plus another 10 raised to the power of x. That simply means 10 raised to the power of x plus 10 raised to the power of x plus 10 raised to the power of x equals 3 times 10 raised to the power of x. So our equation becomes 3 times 10 raised to the power of x equals 600. The next thing is, let's isolate the exponential term. We can only isolate it by dividing both sides by 3. Now let's divide both sides by 3. That is 3 times 10 raised to the power of x divided by 3 and 600 divided by 3. 3 cancel 3. On the left side, we are left with 10 raised to the power of x, and on the right side, 3 in 3 1, 3 in 600 will give us 200. So on the right side, we have 200 as our result. So our equation is now 10 raised to the power of x equals 200. This is a standard exponential equation. The next thing is, let's compare the powers of 10. That is 10 raised to the power 1 will give us 10. 10 raised to the power 2 will give us 100. 10 raised to the power 3 will give us 1000. Since 100 is less than 200 and also less than 1000, then the exponent must lie between 10 raised to the power 2 and 10 raised to the power 3. So 2 is less than x and less than 3. Since 200 is not an exact power of 10, we have to use our logarithm. Now let's take the logarithm of both sides. So our equation 10 raised to the power of x equals 200. Now let's take the logarithm of both sides, which will give us log 10 raised to the power of x equals log 200. Using logarithm power rule, x log 10 equals log 200. Since log 10 equals 1, then this becomes x times 1 equals log 200. X times 1 is x, so we have it as x equals log 200. Now let's evaluate log 200. Log 200 equals log 2 times 100. Let's apply the product rule, which gives us log 200 equals log 2 plus log 100. We already know that log 100 equals 2 and log 2 equals 0.30103. Therefore, our x equals 2 plus 0.30103, which is equal to 2.30103. This is our x. Now let's verify if x is truly this. I question again, if x equals 2.30103. Remember, during the course of our calculation, our 10 raised to the power of x gave us 200. That means from our original equation, which says 10 raised to the power of x plus 10 raised to the power of x plus 10 raised to the power of x equals 600. Let's substitute this into the equation. That is 200 plus 200 plus 200. 200 plus 200 is 400. 400 plus 200 will also give us 600. That means the left side matches with the right side. But if you want to use x equals 2.30103, you also get 600. By the time you substitute this into the original equation, you also get 600 as your answer. Thank you for watching.